Here is an illustration of our group-wise matching algorithm. G' is first initialized as an empty graph. The edge with the highest weight is chosen and added into G'. The compatible edge set with the largest score is iteratively added into G'. This is the final reassembly and its corresponding G'. This is the reassembly result from group-wise matching. After the refinement, the accumulated error is reduced. This is the improved reassembly result. We start with an example image like this, printed on a white sheet of paper. Tear the image into pieces. Now there are 10 image fragments. Then we scan all these fragments on a printer. The scan resolution here is 150 dots per inch, or DPI. Afterwards, we use our algorithm to automatically compose these digital fragments. This is the final reassembly result.